This is Aileen, our Vice President, our sunshine, our icon, our resident Fashion Week. She led fast and made us fast. Fast thinkers, fast responders. While she was slow. Slow to anger, slow to impatience, slow to judge. She brought energy. She brought wisdom. She brought that one immaculate outfit that lives rent-free in everyone's head. We were supposed to do a skit, one where we mimicked her iconic mannerisms and catchphrases. But when we started, we realized she's irreplaceable. There's just so much Aileen. We couldn't encapsulate her in a 60-second spoof. So instead of telling you who she is, we'll tell you who she made us to be.
Ang pinakamamimiss ko kay Miss ay yung mga kwento. Kasi almost every meeting namin ay nasi-share siya. So probably yung hindi ko makakalimutan ay yung kwento na sila yung pinakamalinis ni Sir Omar sa Globe. Hindi dahil sila yung pinakamabango, kundi dahil everyday daw silang sinasabon ng boss nila.
Ang pinakamamimiss ko kay attorney, yung tawa niya, at yung namamalo siya pag natatawa siya.
Ang miss ko kay attorney ay syempre yung galing niyang pumorma, nakakaingit yung katawan ni attorney at saka yung paano niya dalhin yung kanyang sarili.
Ang mamimiss ko kay attorney is yung pagiging full boss.
Hi attorney ay pinaka-mamimiss ko po yung tawanan and activities natin together, all of your time na binibigay mo po sa amin, sa akin, and this one. And if only you know how much I appreciate this thing na binigay mo po sa akin. Thank you, attorney, for everything.
One thing na hindi ko makakalimutan kay attorney is yung pagiging bubbly niya. Kahit ano pwede mong pag-usapan, especially pag ang chismis ay mga artista. Isa pang bagay na hindi ko makalimutan kay attorney is yung Nori na.
Ito yung isa po sa mga namimiss ko is yung pagiging jolly and open po sa amin. And yung mga joking time po natin, sobrang dali nyo lang po mapasunod, sobrang dali nyo lang po makagets. Very millennial. And we appreciate po lahat ng mga life lessons, mga experiences, personal man po ang mga work-related na sinishare nyo po sa amin. Thank you po, attorney, and Nori na!
Probably yung biggest lesson learned ko from Miss I is to always plan ahead and expect the worst case scenario. There will always be fallouts in the process and you cannot rely on something going the way you expect it to be. So sometimes baka hindi pa enough yung one step ahead. Baka you need to go 10 steps further ahead pa. So most likely ka baka hindi pa mangyayari yung worst case scenario, but with the exercise of planning, ang dami mo ng learnings.
Ang pinaka-important na lesson na natutunan ko kay attorney is yung importance ng magandang relationship with your bosses and colleagues and whatnot. Kasi kayo rin talaga yung magtutulungan sa dulo.
Natutunan ko kay attorney, sinong one time na pinag-discuss niya ako ng end-to-end process, yung from PR, tapos pina-explain niya sa akin yun. Hindi ako marunong magsulat sa blackboard, or ayaw ko magsulat sa whiteboard, pero doon, napilitan ako magsulat sa whiteboard. Ayun.
Yung lesson na natutunan ko kay attorney is yung dapat lagi kang handa kung ano man yung mga challenges or task na ibigay sa'yo.
With attorney I learned that there are times we need to be serious, times to enjoy, times to be funny, and there are times that we need to be professional. So yun po yung pinaka-natutunan ko working with attorney I.
Ang natutunan ko talaga kay attorney is yung always ask questions and never stop seeking answers. Yung curiosity and drive to keep learning kahit may mga challenges, and yung push niya talaga to strive and to level up on your on your field, ayun talaga yung nag-i-inspire sa akin. Thank you, attorney, for that.
Through her leadership, she taught us to lead with empathy, to speak with intention, to dress like every hallway is a runway, and to always, always show up for each other. And while we will miss her energy, her immaculate fashion sense, her words of wisdom, the way she always, always had our back, we actually won't, because she moved to the other wing of the same floor. She didn't even give us the chance to miss her. So instead, we'll settle for waving across the hall, pretending not to time our pantry visits, and hoping she accidentally walks into our meetings. Because let's be honest, it's not quite fast without Aileen.